Still more clouds than sun hanging in over our Lexington Financial Center live camera. Every once in a while via the Keeneland cam, we get the hints of some hazy sunshine trying to break through, but even there, we're on the cloudy side. And then you pop out into eastern Kentucky. Look what they're still dealing with on Pine Mountain. Low visibility and some low cloud cover that has hung in. So at least there's no precipitation to go along with it as of yet. Of course, that's subject to change over the next couple of days. They got hammered with severe storms, a couple of tornadoes back west of Lubbock into Texas yesterday as you got closer to Dallas today. That's where the severe threat is, and they've actually popped an enhanced risk for severe storms, mainly damaging wind, but some tornadic activity potentially there today as well. Into Wednesday, the threat shifts east, but this is a slow-moving system, so we'll get hit with a warm front and then a cold front. So for Wednesday, we have a marginal risk for severe storms out, and notice how it just kind of cuts off just east of Lexington. And then into Thursday, it shifts east across the entire area. This is the cold front coming in, but both days, marginal risk, the lowest threat. We'll have to wait and see if we get any upgrades to that. But right now, we'll have multiple rounds of showers and storms coming through as this warm front bubbles in. The first could be overnight. Showers, isolated thunder showers. Don't anticipate anything strong to severe there. But as the warm front heads north, we'll get into a little more instability, warmer air, and as well breaks in the clouds. So we'll see scattered showers and storms developing and then potentially a round coming in late Wednesday evening. Looks like it's weakening as it goes, but here comes the cold front. This is the boundary that'll push yet another round of showers and thunder showers our way. That's Thursday morning, getting into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. So we'll have, multiple days of active weather coming our way with that lower end severe threat that we'll have to keep an eye on for both days. The good news is we're going to get that through here before we get into the upcoming weekend, though. Rainfall wise, over the past 24 hours, it's been the heaviest out east, where you had a half an inch to an inch of rain. It's exactly where we don't need it. We're drying out through parts of the bluegrass and going into western counties. It varies depending on location, but there are some folks that could use a good soaking rain. This will be on again, off again. And some folks, again, it'll be highly variable. Will get soaked. Some folks won't. You can see at least through Thursday. Rainfall amounts a few hundredths of an inch to an inch or two. So we'll have to watch out for the possibility of some localized flooding if you get multiple rounds coming in. This just broad brushes the rainfall. It's going to be the heaviest back to the west and down south. So the deep south could be in for some of the torrential rain and flash flooding. We're kind of running the northeastern periphery of that threat. Pollen type and count, well, you're back to medium high levels today, and then with the rain chance tomorrow, hopefully that'll tamp it down a little bit, and grass is still the main offender. Grass pollen. With all the clouds around, it's been difficult to warm up. It's still 59 in Danville. It's 63 out of Bluegrass Airport. But if we break it down by later on today, we're going to try to break up that cloud cover and hopefully edge our way into the 70s. So the farther along you go into the afternoon, the more likely you are to see a little bit of sunshine. Beyond that, as early as later on this evening and definitely overnight, we could have a few showers, a rumble of thunder or two. But then that rising chance for showers and storms Wednesday later in the day, that round coming in from out west. It'll back off, and then Thursday we could see another round, possibly multiple rounds, morning and then evening. Some of those could be on the strong side. We'd be watching for damaging wind gusts, some small hail, and some heavy rain out of those storms. But look at that. We clear it out. High pressure builds in. The heat is on. The sun is hopefully shining for Memorial Day weekend.